Lights stay flicker and the candles glitter like you're in a thriller. Heart goes pum pum pum. Ghostly figures, they can get so bitter. Show you want to enter, you can turn back. You don't know where I've been with.
Ready, go.
You guys,
wheel up the block, can't tell her reload it. I've got the camera, my girls are posing. I need some backup, then my ones are rolling. Grown woman thinks I'm never at risk. Mind my own business, I'm never in mess. Who am I? I ain't they get a slice of the cake. Want a house with a view and a new pair of shoes. Keep it real from the jump, Gucci gang. Little vibe, little bass, little kick, little snare, little lies, big truths. Do you? They don't care. Do you? They don't care. Get your ass out the box and build up from there. I don't have a gang with me, but I still walk with a gangster lean. I brought Nikes cause we think they're clean. MJ leather jacket, beat Billie Jean. MJ leather jacket cause I think I'm bad. I like it, the growth, the light, the pain, the fight. We love, we fight, we hurt, we cry. He paid the price, you'll be. I think I need some time away. I took a little time. I pray we'll be shows be on the runways, not just mood boards. On top of that, I wanna see when your team. Look at your crown, natural light to the Jericho. One time soft and sheen, where black girl magic is sometimes blue. I broke a hairband or two. Raise my voice, you gonna say that I'm angry. Kiss my teeth, and now you say that I'm hood. Kid at 16, you say it's my destiny. Driving a range of a bit different today.
Hi guys, so I was telling you guys about packages that I was expecting like since last week and they didn't come until now, so I'm just going to be unboxing them. But before I unbox them, I just wanted to speak to you guys about how my week has been. I've not vlogged much because I was just living in the moment. Basically, I went out with my friends, I went for a friend's thing. I shot everywhere. I've been out and about a lot. I've not even had time to post on Instagram. I've not had time to do stuff basically. So I am at home now for like, I'm not going anywhere. So I just cleaned the house, I did my laundry and all of that. So I also scrubbed my body and I'm wearing this PJ set. I just feel like this part of this vlog is not vlogging, you know. So let me just quickly unbox because I'm tired. Time's like past 12 now. I'm really tired. So I got this package from a friend of mine, Nade Official. So she traveled and she got me this cute purse. Like, I love it so much. Like, I love it. It's like she knew that I was needing a nude bag. So that's that. And for the stubborn package that I've been expecting for like maybe 2 weeks now, I had to go and pick it up today at their office because they didn't deliver to the house. It was just in their office. So I'm just going to be like cutting it open and just like seeing what is there. So this stuff, I saw it on Bimi Badmoss's page on her YouTube channel. You don't know if you know Bimi Badmoss. She's a YouTuber here in Lagos. So I saw it on her channel and she gave me the details, but those people closed down. But I needed to get this stuff because I've also been seeing it on are you serious? I've also been seeing it on like what's it called, on Instagram. So I wanted to get it, but I don't know what this is because this is not what I ordered. This one's like a clay jar. I didn't order this, but let's continue because it's like packed with like so many stuff in it. Okay, there is another one. Let's hope that, why are there so many clay jars? This is not what I ordered though. This is not what I ordered though. Except she gave me free gifts. Wow. Yes, so this is what I ordered. It's like a, what I call it, it's like a, what's the name, what they call this stuff for? I want to remember the name so badly. It's like a, yeah, this is like a coaster where you can keep your jewelry, but I want to use this to keep something else. I got 2 of them, and she gave me like 3 free stuff. Love this. This is like seashells, like I love it. It's pretty. So I'm just going to be checking for, because I got 2 of those coasters. I'm just going to be checking for the second one. Wow, this was like really packed, and I love this. The black one has like gold flakes on them. This is really pretty. Really pretty, but the flakes are like falling out. I'm trying to touch it, falling out. So that's, let me check this bag if there's anything else that it means. Are you serious? It's like 2. Wait, sis, how many did I order? I ordered only the white and the black, and I have like lots more. I'll just put her, I think it's like Sassy Secrets or something, so I'll put her handle on the page, on the screen right now. Just checking if there's nothing else, because I don't want to throw, there's like so much carton here. It's kind of like wet and smelly, so that's that. I love it so much, yeah. So the other thing that I ordered before that day when I was showing you guys this item, I did not open it till I got it. It's been like over 1.5 weeks, and I've not opened it just because I wanted to unbox here with you guys. So I got this from Bath and Body Nigeria, Bath and Body Works Nigeria. Yeah, so it is, you can already tell. maybe you don't know, but I'm just going to open it. Let's see what is here. What is their packaging say? Ooh, this smells so good. So good. Love it so much. It's so much. All this their packaging. They used to pack all these things. So guys, this is my first 3-week candle, and this is like White Barn, but it's like a Paris cafe. So it kind of like smells, I've not even opened it. It smells like coffee, but it's like rich coffee. I don't know. Oh god, this smells so good. See, yeah, I'm going to put it on this coaster. I hope it fits, but it's not bad. It doesn't entirely fit, but I'm going to use it like that because why not? Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, so that's all. I'm just going to light it and enjoy myself alone. This is like my first 3-week candle. I've had like normal scented candles before, but not 3-week. So I just want to see what, I know that it's going to be good, and that's why I just went straight for Bath and Body Works, because this thing's hot. I should get the lighter.
Where will we go when the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road? Oh, maybe gonna start pull up in a fast start, yeah. And a fast start make you want the fast part, yeah. I know you're feeling me, you know I'm feeling you.
Hi guys, so yeah, today is Saturday and I have not been to an Owambe in a very long time, so that's where I'm heading. I'm going out to a friend's wedding now, and the color of the day was like silver, black and wine color, but I didn't have anything, and I have this white dress that I wore one time for a wedding, so that's what I'm just currently wearing. I took out the other hand because it's like a lot, so I just took it out and I like flipped this one to the back. So I'll show you what the dress is looking like now, and I need to tie my gilly and I'm late to the party. But I look good, so I'll show you guys everything that I said I want to show you guys now.
Don't know why I leave when I wanna stay. Yeah. Would you believe me anyway? The harder I try, the less I take.
Yo, Kingsley.
Hard